everyone! Today we are going to see how to make an easy, tasty and quick Nutella mousse made with only 2 ingredients. To make this mousse, I have taken 1 cup of whipping cream. I am using non-dairy whipping cream today. If you don't get this, you can use the Amul cream, either the blue packet or the red packet is okay. But if you are using Amul cream, then remember to use extra sugar. In this non-dairy cream, sugar is already added, so I am not adding any extra sugar along with this cream. Along with this cream, add 1 teaspoon of vanilla and then we'll start beating this cream. Use a hand blender. It is much easier to use a hand blender and beat the cream. Beat this for at least 3 minutes until the cream doubles and it becomes thick. This is after 3 minutes of beating the cream. As you can see, the cream has increased and it has doubled and become thick also. At this stage, add Nutella. I am adding half a cup of Nutella. If you don't have Nutella, you can add any other chocolate spread of your choice. Since my cream was already sweetened, I did not add any extra sugar. But if you are using a cream that is not sweetened like the Amul cream, then you will have to add some extra sugar. You can add about 1/4 cup of powdered sugar and then taste it and add more if you need. Beat the Nutella along with the cream and that's it. Our easy and quick Nutella mousse is ready. This is such an easy and quick recipe. Whenever I have sudden guests at home, this is the dessert that I always prefer to make. You can just finish it in 5 to 6 minutes and you have a tasty dessert at hand. So once this is all set, we are going to transfer it into our serving bowls. For this, I used a piping bag because I find it easier to pipe into my dessert bowls. But if you don't have a piping bag, you can just use a spoon to transfer the mousse into your serving bowls. I made this mousse for a birthday party and using these disposable cups is very easy for me. I find it very simple and easy to serve in these disposable cups, and once my guests are done eating, then they can discard the cups and it's easy for them and it's easy for me also. So I started piping this mousse into each of these cups. This I find very simple. If you don't want to use this piping bag, you can always use a small spoon and transfer your mousse into your dessert bowls. Once this is done, tap the cup slightly on the countertop and all the mousse will settle down and it will look very neat. I also added some chocolate chips on top of each of the cups. If you don't want to decorate this with chocolate chips, you can use some chopped nuts. Or if you have chocolate sprinkles, you can sprinkle that also on top of these cups and decorate them. This mousse needs to set in the refrigerator for at least 2 to 4 hours. Before leaving it in the fridge, I prefer to cling wrap each of these small cups. I use this cling film to wrap up each of these cups, and then when you place it on the dessert table, it looks very cute and very presentable. It's easy for your guests to take and eat this mousse. Whenever I need to make a quick dessert, this is always what I go for. It's very easy and very quick to put together, and everybody likes it also. It's so light and so mild, it's very tasty. So you need to refrigerate this for 2 to 4 hours. This is after 4 hours of being in the fridge. I made 2 batches of this Nutella mousse as I was making it for my son's birthday party. See how nicely it has set. Your guests will definitely love it, especially if you have small children coming over, then they really love this dessert. And it's so easy to make. We are using only 2 ingredients to make this dessert. If you use the cream that I used, then it's just the cream and the Nutella that I've used. If you use any unsweetened cream, don't forget to add a little bit of powdered sugar. So do try this dessert. It's a very tasty and easy dessert to make. Until next time, bye bye.